Just want to get it on video. I know, I gotta get this slowly.
Yeah. Well, I know you're watching the truck too.
That's the first time this was ever attempted.
First time?
First time. But you see how much better it climbs now?
Oh yeah.
Turtle! Twice.
I'm trying an entrance.
You
drove into it?
I drove into it.
Good job. That's awesome. That's an impressive ride.
Thank you.
I might have to do a little bit different because what works for one truck may not work for everybody. Maybe it is fucking slippery.
Yeah, dude.
When I think bomber, I think of that side.
Every time you get grip, the rock just breaks off. Like you see it?
Yeah. And my ass just keeps going back into here.
Let me know if you want the trick.
How much on it? He had fucking 20.
But
I'll give you half an hour.
it's doable.
Yeah,
It is.
So we know it's doable.
It only takes a half an hour to do it.
It could take a half hour. It took, what, 5 tries?
5 tries, you got it.
But you know the line now.
Nah, it's not the same. His car is
I
wider
bet you
than...
if I tell him where to put the tire, he'll
His
get
car
it.
is his car is wider than your
I mean, it might
wheelbase.
as well
I bet
be
you if I tell him
sporty.
where to put the tire, he'll get it.
Does my rear tire need to know where to be?
I bet you if I tell him where
No,
to...
tell
Okay,
him. So
tell
I can
him.
go.
No, I wanted to figure it out. Like yesterday, you
Yeah.
were trying. I bet you if I put the truck in one spot, you're gonna get it.
Like, I thought these dudes were gonna
Really, ask him for the
and they just like went right up and like
So now you want to get your truck over more and get this tire in here.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying for, but I can't keep the nose down.
cage. Like,
And my ass is now working against me.
Dima has pictures.
Yeah, sure.
They do a couple events a year. The one that I'm talking about was last year.
I'm telling you, every day this truck comes out, it just gets better and better.
You always tweak.
You learn it, yeah, you learn it, and you see where you need to make your tricks.
Remember yesterday was...
Yesterday was doing some
It's way more
crazy
scale
line.
than like before.
Dude, this shit got corrupted.
The day he called me at 10:46, text me. I was so pissed off.
Might be more.
We did so many crazy lines.
Like these trucks that aren't Sorca legal, they're kind of way more
It died?
performance oriented than scale.
You died with it?
Huh?
You died?
No, why is the dick not working?
Oh.
That's what I was trying
That's
to
what
do.
you
Dig.
I like them because they're simple. It's not like 100.
I was using the wrong fucking button. It's this one up here. Right. So forward once is front wheel, forward twice is lock rear. Now I remember. Now I just gotta remember. You giving up?
Wanna get the fuck out of this cliff.
Oh, come on. It's like, you just
Dude,
be a little bit more comfortable.
I'm scared of heights.
Look this way, never look back.
I'm scared of heights, dude. I just don't want.
Yeah.
Now he's gonna use dig.
Just want to try because I couldn't do it right. I can't do it, so.
Come on, let the other GSpeed go. He's like, this fucking bastard. I can't wait till he does something and I do something.
he does over here.
And then you gotta do what I do. You gotta put a fan under the hood.
Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah, see?
So what happens is there's not enough air circulating in there. So I have two little fucking fans in my radiator location, drawing in and drawing out. Or maybe both drawing in, I don't remember, but.
So 2 fans?
Yeah, you're gonna need 2 fans.
I guys.
No, I'm not gonna go in. iPhones are annoying.
I don't know why there's no parking.
Yeah.
A lot of people.
I have to park so far
I
out.
never come here with this many people.
It's just like every night. No one says anything. The people that don't say anything. You get a ranger coming, he says something. But pedestrians, everyone stopped and looked.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why.
He's looking at my truck, heavy artillery. You got the gun, oh man.
Yeah, so the thing is, once you get in here, you're all right.
It's getting through the parking lot.
Yeah, that's why we don't want people really having the cars out in the parking lot and stuff like that. That's why you're supposed to come. Everybody's supposed to come at one time and get on the trail. Stop standing around waiting. It's tough. It's tough. You needed your ass more to the driver's side. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whose truck is that? Oh. I'm like, look, where's the drive? Nobody looks scared.
All right, we'll take a different line then.
Where is my truck?
I know it's really. It's going heavy, right?
Yes. Come on, let me see the corrupt one.
Want me to show you how to line?
No, not you. I want to see the corrupt one.
Oh, come on. Let this.
I know I can't get up,
Oh, yeah, try.
but I'm willing to try.
Listen, come like this, get this here, and the power part's the real wheel off. You want more overdrive than this, so.
Come on, the ninja made it twice.
Yes, once not on film, once on film. There you go, baby. You got it. Whoa, look this. Damn, that's some fucking. Put this here. So you get your nose down. Damn, that's a strong ass truck. See what she put in my eyes.
No. This is gonna be more of a video.
I think if I haven't smoked yet. I didn't smoke yet.
Yeah, one more.
I made this game this fucking phone.
Not impossible.
Not for John.
Not for the ninja. Don't blame me. Not for the ninja.
Except for John.
No, except for the ninja.
Just the $600 chassis.
They made a ninja only. They made a ninja only base.
If you were to buy your see, you have the fan hard, you got your servo on the axle. Bet you didn't even have a transfer case in there.
But the new GSpeed now, they have it laid down, so it's a huge difference.
I gotta stand
Going
up.
lay
servo.
down. No, I know. I got to stand up, but
You know why I stand it up? It's like a middle finger.